Amazing. I think that
I've had
deserves a
some
round of
breakfast
applause,
ones
please.
and I do
That
have,
is awesome.
Have you had some breakfast ones?
I don't eat breakfast.
Oh, okay.
No, I eat lots of lunch.
Okay.
Now, next.
Interesting.
First ends at
That's
lunch.
an amazing, amazing day. Okay,
Next.
that's where we stop. But I think we've had enough of
Oh.
these digs on each
You
other.
got us charged up and then now you just like dhoop.
Okay, considering that now we've had enough of this rapid fire, we've got a bit of your personal lives also out here. एक काम कर लेते हैं.
Personal, ये coffee with Karan
नहीं है.
नहीं है. अच्छा, ये ऐसा लग रहा है.
ऐसे नहीं होता कभी.
रिक्स नहीं उठाते हम रिक्स.
कोई हैम्पर नहीं है तो कॉफी विद नहीं है.
हाँ,
500
चलिए,
हजार
ठीक
रुपए के नोट है.
मेरे को 100 के चाहिए.
बहुत गरीब हूँ मैं. नहीं मेरे पास 100 रुपए के नोट.
Next.
All right. So considering we've enjoyed this round out here, let's do one thing. Let's, for the first time, unveil the song from Dear Zindagi. Tu hi hai.
Yes, I just want to say a little bit about the song.
Please go ahead.
It's the third song और that's what I want to say. और गाने का नाम है तू ही है और if anybody of you have that person जिसको आप कहना चाहते हो तू ही है तो उसको दिमाग में रख के ये गाना देखना तो आपको बहुत पसंद आएगा.
All right, so we've heard the song the first time we're unveiling the video. So, ladies and gentlemen, the video is going to be showing very, very romantic, very, very in the zone, in the moment kind of song. How was it for you, this particular song?
Well, you know, I have to say something. I've been getting all these messages on social media के बेचारी आलिया का दिल तोड़ दिया तुमने and all that. I've suddenly become this evil heartbreaker
No,
on social
you're not
media.
evil
Yeah, I'm not
heartbreaker.
evil at all. मैं तो मतलब शराफत का पुतला हूँ. So I want to say something is that, you know, I think there's a lot that happens about heartbroken people. There's poems written, songs written about how difficult it is. But sometimes it's very difficult for the heartbreaker as well. And I don't think that there's enough about that.
I think ये बात आपने बिल्कुल सही कही है.
हाँ, मतलब बहुत मुश्किल होता है. Somebody that you've dated for a long time to look at them and say, look, it's not working out. No? Heartbreaker is sometimes even more difficult than being heartbroken.
I agree.
Totally. You know it the best, Alia.
Why does she know it best?
She knows
Why
it
do
best.
I know it the best? मैंने क्या किया है?
तुमने कुछ नहीं किया.
अच्छा मैंने तुम्हारा दिल
हाँ,
तोड़ा
चलो,
इसलिए.
हाँ, ठीक है.
Anyways, you tell us आपके लिए ये गाना कैसा था? How was the song for you? Personal experience, how did you like the music in the song?
No, I genuinely feel कि जब आप पिक्चर देखोगे तो आपको situational गाना जो होता है ना उससे ज़्यादा फर्क पड़ेगा. I mean the music is lovely, but I really wish that you all could see it in the flow of the film, which I'm sure आप देखोगे, and then I think आपको ज़्यादा पसंद आएगा.
Well, thank you, Alia. Thank you, Kunal. Now we leave the question and answers open for the press. Please अपना नाम लीजिए, अपने newspaper या अपने magazine या अपने channel का नाम लेकर सवाल पूछिए. Thank you very much. The Q&A session is open, please.
क्या हुआ? अरुण कहाँ है? हाँ? पहले तो हमेशा वही पूछ चले गया? Always the first one.
Alia, since
Ji.
nobody is asking, let me begin the question and answer
Yes,
session.
sir.
Jyoti Venkatesh here.
जी.
From the time you acted in Student of the Year till now, Dear Zindagi, what is the exact change in you? Because even in that time, if I remember, you acted perfectly.
How
And in
sweet.
what way you are improved as an actress?
I think I don't know if I can be able to really measure my quality of acting कितना improve हुआ है क्योंकि मेरा ये मानना है with every film I want to forget that I learned anything and go back to feeling like I felt with the first film क्योंकि उसी तरह से I'll be able to grasp more, learn more, absorb more. So I would believe that I've learned a lot in terms of technique, understanding, people, experiences. उस टाइम पे मैं 18 साल की थी. Today I'm 23 years old. बहुत बड़ी हो गई हूँ मैं. But there is a mental difference maybe. Like I have grown up or understood things a little better. But yeah, I think how I've changed as an actor, only the audience and the people and you can tell me. I can't really say what has changed in me.
And next question for Kunal. Kunal, you are also equally a good actor and you acted in Malayalam film also. Veeram.
Yes, yeah.
And you are doing a Dear Zindagi.
Right.
How do you switch off and on when you switch from a Malayalam film to a Hindi film?
Well, you know that Malayalam film is also a Hindi and English film, so it was obviously very challenging because we had to shoot every scene in 3 languages. But I think, you know, that's the lovely part about being an actor, is that you get to play lots of different people and lots of different characters. And I remember a line that when I started off, Raghubir Yadav had told me. He said, you know, actors are blessed because everybody gets a chance to live their lives, but actors get a chance to live multiple lives. So I think that's the exciting part about being an actor, is to, you know, play different roles and play different people.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We have one more question here.
Alia and Kunal both.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Alia, what does love mean to you? You're not married, Kunal is married. And Kunal, you also after Alia. So Alia, what does love mean to you?
I think, honestly, for me, love ka meaning changes every day. Actually, genuinely. And I don't believe love is only between a boy and a girl or between two lovers. I feel there's a very strong love between two friends, very strong love between a special friendship, strong love between me and my cat. I have a very, very strong love for my cup of coffee in the morning. So love, I think, is universal. But every day, I think my definition of love changes. So today, I think my definition of love is Dear Zindagi.
We have a question here.
Yeah, for Kunal.
For me, actually, she said it before I could say it.
You agree?
I agree with you
How
completely. No, I think love is something that keeps changing, and I don't think that you can have one small little definition of love. I think it's too vast to have like a little small thing and say that this is what love is. I think it's different things on different days, and for different people and different things. That is my phone, which I'm going to turn off.
आपका
Sorry
phone बज
about
रहा है?
that.
Yes. Who is somebody?
Yeah,
Some, हाँ. Hello, hello. How are you?
Alia,
Yes.
congratulations for the song.
Thank you.
Alia, yeah,
क्या
is the
हुआ?
dating to be done responsibly?
Huh? Is what?
Dating should be done responsibly, and what are the things you would like to suggest for dating?
वो पिक्चर देख के आपको पता चलेगा. बहुत सारी चीजें हैं पिक्चर के अंदर.
I mean, responsible तो चलते हुए भी बनना चाहिए वैसे. तो dating is of course, but I don't understand what you mean by responsible. But मैं कोई होती नहीं हूँ. I think tips देने वाले कि यहाँ मिलेंगे, वहाँ मिलेंगे. I just feel that like-minded people और जहाँ आप एक conversation हो सकता है when you can really connect with the person as opposed to just frivolously dating. And I'm not a person to judge that either. So something like that, if people want to do, and I genuinely believe that Tinder is a great opportunity for people across the world to meet like-minded people and to hang out with them. And it's not only for people who want to date. It's also for people who suppose who don't have time to really go out and socialize. Sometimes you're in a new city or in your own city, you want to just hang out, have a nice quiet dinner, meet people, have conversations. Then you can interact with people, you can chat with them, you can find out what they're all about. So I think it's a great way to interact with people and broaden your, your mind.
जब मर्जी हुई तब दे दिया. Kunal, आप बताएं, has there been any change in the dating process? Like you have been seen both the generations, like this generation.
But what do you
Yeah,
mean by
both the
process?
generation
Process
मतलब
क्या
क्या?
होता है?
मुझे
आप
तो बहुत
किसी से
बुड्ढा
मिलते-
बना दिया इन्होंने.
No, I want to know process. मतलब थोड़ा सा थोड़ी ना होके कि हम लोग कचुम्बर नहीं बना रहे कि पहले आलू काकड़ी काटेंगे, फिर मिर्ची डालेंगे, फिर वो करेंगे. Process नहीं होता है. You meet somebody, right? If you feel that person is interesting, you go out on a couple of dates, and then if it's really nice, then that person becomes your boyfriend / or girlfriend. Simple है ना? Process थोड़ी होता है.
And Alia, you have been proved ki you have been lucky for Mr. Karan Johar with Adil and
I've been lucky.
Yeah.
Oh my God, please. Don't put Aidal Mushkil success on me being lucky. It did well because the film was lovely, that's why.
And this movie also.
ठीक है, don't worry, it's okay. हम लोग हैं यहाँ पे. Please, पूछिए.
This film also, what are your expectations from this film?
अच्छे expectations होंगे ना. I won't want bad for my own film. But I really feel like people, not only the youth, even older people will connect to it because it's a perspective from even a parent's angle, a daughter's angle, friend's angle. तो मुझे ये लगता है कि सब लोग connect कर पाएंगे.
Hi, Alia. Here.
Hi.
Alia, now, forgetting Kaira, imagine Kiara.
Okay, why forget Kaira?
Yeah, just for a second. If Alia is on Tinder, what kind of a profile are you looking for?
My profile or another person?
The other person's obviously.
See, genuinely, as I said, I love to make conversation. So if I find somebody's profile interesting, a humorous kind of person, he has some character, usko creative cheese mein zyada interest hai, then I would probably be interested in somebody like that.
And what about the kind of pictures? Obviously, mirror selfies are out of the question because you don't like mirror selfies.
वो एक लेम टाइप का फोटो एक होता है, एक अच्छा टाइप का फोटो होता है. एंड आई थिंक यू कैन, आपकी पर्सनल चॉइस पे डिपेंड करता है. कोई ऐसा पोज कर रहा है तो देन मे बी आई जस्ट स्वाइप लेफ्ट. बट इफ समबडी इज जेन्युइनली स्टैंडिंग पोजिंग विद अ फ्रेंड, कोई माउंटेन का फोटो हो तो शायद मतलब ओ ये माउंटेन हाइकर है, मतलब माउंटेन्स पे शायद जाने का मौका मिलेगा. सो देन यू विल
So
प्रोबब्ली
if you want to date, no, I was going to say Kyra. If you want to date Alia, basically you need mountains at the back.
I love mountains also.
Kunal, just now Alia said that, I mean, usually you date like-minded people, but usually I think unlike-minded people club together. What do you have to say?
Well, I don't think there's, like she was saying, there's no rule of dating and there's no rule of romance. I've dated a lot of people and I've dated all different sorts of people. I mean, I've dated people that thought exactly like I did, had common interests. I've dated people that, had thought completely differently and had interests that were really like different from mine. So I don't think there's a process to it and I don't think there's a rule to it. I think you just connect or you don't connect. And I don't think it's dependent on whether you're like-minded or you have the same hobbies or whatever it is.
I also
think
feel
it's just-
like-minded does not necessarily mean like same thoughts.
Right.
I feel like-minded also is nice when you challenge each other's thoughts. That's also interesting.
And somebody just asked you, he said that you're married, right?
Right.
So has your definition of love changed after marriage? Would you like to?
Well, I don't know if my definition has changed, but I think the love has grown. I think I'm more in love with my wife now than I was when I was dating her. I was in love with her then as well, but I think that's grown a lot more now. So I don't know if the definition has changed, but the quantity has changed.